Hi, it's Miss Chalone, and I'm here for another recorder video. Today I'm going to be teaching you Star Wars theme. So the Star Wars theme is a really popular song out there, and I'm sure many of you really want to learn how to play this. The trick to doing Star Wars is high G. Now high G and low G are fingered exactly the same, that thumb and the three notes. The only difference is that with that high G, you are going to let a little bit of air pop through that thumb hole there. Just enough that it pops up a whole octave, okay? So instead of being completely sealed, that thumb's just gonna pop a little bit and give a little bit of extra space in there to get that high G. So here's our low G. That's just popping that thumb. Watch it from the side. Okay, so that is the key to Star Wars. So first I'm going to play it through. Actually, it's just the first part. Let's just learn the first part and then I'll teach you the second part, okay? So, my cat's kind of active today. D, 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 G, and then high D, no thumb. D, 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 G, D. Do that with me. D, 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 G, D. And then C, B, A, C, B, A. And then high G, that pop that thumb. So C, B, A, G, C, B, A, G. All right, let's put that together, starting with the low D. Okay, if that high G isn't coming out really well, practice that low G to high G, popping that thumb. Sometimes if you pop too much, that G just kind of falls apart anyway, so you really have to kind of practice it. All right, so let's do that again from the beginning. Ready? Here we go. So it comes back down to that D at the end, okay? Let's do that again. And again, ready, go. Now, the next part of it just repeats that second part. C, B, A, G, D. C, B, A, G, D. Okay, so we add that in a second time. So let's start it from the beginning and do that second part twice. Okay, let's do that one more time, starting with that low D. Ready? Here we go. All right, if you're ready to move on, then let's keep going. If you're not, rewind back a little bit and do a little bit more of that. So after the C, B, A, G, D, and then it's C, B, C, A, ends it, okay? C, B, C, A. So that second part, C, B, A, G, D, C, B, C, A. Let's just do that second half, okay? Starting with the C, B, A, G. Ready? Here we go. Do that again. Do that again. Okay, so from the top, let's do that much. 1, 2, here we go. Let's do it again. So that's the start of Star Wars. You do that twice. The second half is a little bit different, and I'll put that in another video. My cat is just talking up a storm right now. So let's just do that one more time, and I'm going to do it a little bit slower this time. Ready? Here we go. All right, so until next time, or until part 2, go practice that, and then we'll tackle the second part. All right? Happy practicing!